Bansa jingkan mau ke jingdap nyo po sansnem jong ke jinglai luot ke ri India ki Shipai kapot ki lapenlong ye ki program baper hagi babon ki quarter ki jongki kum ka football volleyball bat ki we bala donru ka program ka bakham kerpang ka bala tip kum ka motorcycle rally ka bala sedang na Nongbah Shillong Meghalaya bat on penkot hadu Nongbah Delhi. Hadin belami na Nongbah Shillong ya kaneka kunhun la pediang burom sahanongpo Ribhoi District do Additional Deputy Commissioner but the Superintendent of Police jongka Ribhoi District but haka jingi don lang ki we de ki he sarkar but naka kunhun ki Shipai BSF ki badai naka Commandant 172 BNBSF. Lapenlong ya kate ka program ka balengkon kadai na ka benta ban kitbok kit riang bar ban ai mensi mi kite ki Shipai ki ban le ra ka Khubor jong ka Jingiatylli lengba ki Thuk nadu na Nongbah Shillong Meghalaya hadu Nongbah Delhi. Hagane ka program lengkot lapen ipai baru ka film habayadei ba ki Shipai BSF lapen iru ka jingle yoga bat lapen ina mi ki tiar siat bat ki we lapen ipai baru ka jingtho ki bayadei persha ba ka jingdi drugs ka jingye khun persha ki kam khai be anya khaput bat karukom ban yo rungkam haga kunhun Shipai BSF. Kani ka kunhun nongnya abait ki don lai phongun kata ka kunhun BSF janbas ki don khatsan ngun ki badai ki Shipai shinrang bana ka kunhun BSF Sima Bhavani ki badai ki Shipai kinthe ki don khatsan ngun kabakin ya lengba ha ki Jingiatylli ki jilla ka jilla Meghalaya Assam West Bengal Bihar Jharkhand Uttar Pradesh batkin sapoi sha Delhi. Kani ka kunhun ki nongnya abait kanya lengbaru na ki Shibun ki Nongbah kum ka Sor Shillong Guwahati, Dhubri, Siliguri, Malda, Krishnanagar, Kolkata, Durgapur, Hazaribagh, Varanasi, Prayagraj, Kanpur, Agra, bat Delhi. Kani karali kandai hapo ka jingpet jong headquarter Special Director General ECBSF Kolkata harangkat ki pulit jong ki district ki bahagi jilla baper. Lasdang bat lapli kani ka jingya ki kunhun jong ki nongnya abai da ka bakawe lama do Dr. Lajaram Bisnoy IPS Director General ki pulit ka jilla Meghalaya naka ktem Shipai ki BSF ka badan hamau pat Shillong menta ka singi ka shitarik unailor R1000 RPOR haka jingdon lang u Inderjit Singh Rana Inspector General jong ki Shipai BSF badai jong ka Meghalaya haka jingedon ki he sarkar nikitanat baper. Yakane ka rally lasdang nadu menta ka singi ka shitarik unailor R1000 RPOR batmu banpenpoi Nongbah Delhi haka khatnriu tarik unailor R1000 RPOR kata kamun kenyai kemba khatnriu sngi hadu bandapoi Nongbah Delhi. Kani ka jingya ki kunhun jong ki bait bat ki we ki jingle burom kalong ban pensung thu pat ba i ka jing sneu ka bami na ki drugs ka jing khai be a nya khapon bat hakaju kapor ban kring ki samla khamtam na khapon bakin rung sakani ka kam Shipai BSF ki balong ka kunhun ka baningkong haka jingeda ya kari India.
BSF
Bye.
Extremely happy to be present on the auspicious occasion of flag off ceremony of the Jambas and the Sima Bhavani. 30 total motorcycle riders will be travelling from the state of Meghalaya to Delhi, covering a distance of nearly 2,800 kilometers. They will spread the message of unity in diversity, the message against the drug abuse, the message about the cultural vibrancy of the Northeast India, and also the message about the activities undertaken by the BSF, and just to seek the cooperation of the people to join BSF by taking part in the development. So I wish all the best to the contingents who will be travelling from Shillong to Delhi and spreading the message of unity in diversity.
So this will be a message for the youth too. This is from our.
Yes. It will on the way. They will be organizing many programs depicting the cultural diversity of that particular states, and also spreading the message against the drug abuse to youth and telling them about the recruitment process in the BSF and the activities undertaken by the BSF and the service rendered by the BSF to the country. See, after receiving the inputs about the activities of jihadi in Assam, we have alerted all the districts, all the police stations and all the outposts, particularly those areas having borders with the Bangladesh. As we know that Meghalaya state has almost 433 kilometer border with Bangladesh. So we are alert and on the jobs.